In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear contents from your Google Sheets while keeping your formulas intact. This is especially useful when you want to freshen up your data set without losing the intricate formulas you've worked hard to create. Let's get started. To tackle this task, we'll be using the built-in Find and Replace tool in Google Sheets. It's a powerful feature that, when used correctly, will help us achieve our goal efficiently. Let's walk through the process. The first thing you'll need to do is select the range of cells where you wish to remove data. It's perfectly fine if this range includes the cells that house your formulas, because the method we're using will only target the data you want to clear. Now, with those cells selected, we are ready to open up the Find and Replace tool. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl and H on your keyboard. This is a handy keyboard shortcut that opens the tool without any hassle. Once the Find and Replace window appears, you'll want to focus on the Find text box. Here's where we enter a specific expression. It might look a bit complex at first glance, but don't worry, it's designed to target exactly what we need. Type in the following: caret, open square bracket, caret equals sheen, close square bracket, period and asterisk. This string acts like a code that tells Google Sheets to locate all values within your selected cells which aren't part of any formula. Essentially, it's scanning for standalone data. Next, make sure to check a few important options. First, check the box for match case. This ensures the search function considers the exact character case, reducing errors. Following that, select Search using regular expressions. This is crucial because our special code relies on regular expressions to function properly. Lastly, make sure to check the box that says Also search within formulas. While we don't actually want to alter or remove formulas, enabling this ensures that our targeting is accurate, leaving only non-formula-based content to be replaced. Now, for the most straightforward part, the Replace With text box. Simply leave it blank. This emptiness tells Google Sheets to remove the targeted data without replacing it with anything else. With everything set up, the next step is just a click away. Hit Replace All. With that single action, the tool works its magic, clearing all non-formula data from your selected cells effectively. And there you have it. Your spreadsheet is now clean of all unnecessary data, but your carefully crafted formulas remain intact and ready for new data input. This method keeps your workflow smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Thank you for following along, and happy data managing.